Why is my PC doing this?
This is 10 times streamers get hacked live. Starting up with Aiden Ross got hacked and coming real close to being banned from the streaming platform. While streaming Call of Duty with a fellow streamer Cuff'em, they got randomly kicked out of the game and things progressively got worse.
What the What the Somebody just hacked. Bro, what the Yo, somebody just hacked. What the
What actually happened though? How that happen?
Nigga, somebody just made us join. Bro, a random person just made us join their lobby, bro. Bro, I had him dead on tank, and I just randomly get joined in a new lobby. How the a hacker does that?
Was he dead or like?
He was like one. I was shooting at him.
When they tried to launch the game, it opened the orange site.
Bro, what was that?
Bro, yo, my game just opened up. I swear to God, bro.
What the fuck? Oh God, it did.
Yo, my game's opening up. Guys, what do I do? My whole.
Bro.
Cuff him.
Bro, he's in our PC. He's in our PC, bro. He's in our PC. He's in our PC. Bro, what the fuck? Aiden,
What do
you
I
hear
do?
me?
Guys, yeah, what do I do?
Aiden.
What do I do? I swear to God, I'm not even joking. Open up.
Oh my life he did. Oh my life he did. He's in our PC, bro.
What do I do?
No
Cuff him?
fucking way,
What do I
bro.
do? What do I actually do, Cuff him?
I don't fucking know. He's touching all my shit. What I do, Ray? What do I do?
How do you know he's in your PC?
Bro, he just opened up Pornhub on my fucking Google Chrome twice, bro.
Turn your PC off.
Turn it off? You should not reset it?
No, turn it off. The fuck?
What do I do, bro? What do I do? What do I do, bro? What do I do? Somebody actually help me, bro.
Next up is XQC, who is playing Call of Duty with his friends, and all of the sudden, both of them are kicked out of their game, and an anonymous person joins the party and doesn't say anything, just plays some strange music.
Why did I eat automatically?
Bro, why you eat, bro? Wait, did you just leave?
No, you left.
Hi.
No, I didn't.
XQCL.
Dude.
Server disconnected. New downloadable content is now available. Excuse me. They better give you your gun back.
Oh, I got my gun back. I got it. Okay, come back.
Who the fuck is that guy? Dude, look at this guy.
What the fuck was that, dude? They got the IP, dude. They got the IP with that. You know that, right?
Next on the list is IShowSpeed, who got hacked by someone that started to talk to him, and he got really nervous.
CBA said monkey boy STFU.
What the f? Nah, serious. Nah, chill. What is that? What is that?
CBA said I hacked you.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my god, no. Oh my, no. What is that? What could that be?
CBA said I'm in your PC.
Oh my fucking chill, bro. Chill.
CBA said I'm in your PC, I'm gonna delete your DSOC road.
No, bro, what app is that?
CBA said I am coming to your house.
What the fuck, bro? Who is that? Is it Xbox? I think it's Xbox, bro.
CBA said put your hands up.
Okay, what the fuck? Nacha, real shit, what is that
CBA said meow.
though? Meow. Wait, what am I doing?
CBA said meow like a kitten now.
Meow. Bro, get on my computer, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
CBA said lick your paw now.
Oh my god, get on my computer, bro.
Waleed said your PC is going to be shut down in.
The entire thing could have been an act, but the time that Kai got his YouTube hacked for sure wasn't. The hacker started a stream on his YouTube and promoted his TikTok account.
Stop. What the f? How? Wait, how? Wait, how? Nah, actually how? They got your PSN? My PSN, they got my PSN. Okay, but how do I change it?
Kai understood that the hacker got to his YouTube through his PlayStation and disconnected it, and then talked about how he is taking legal actions against the hacker.
I'm disappointed in whoever did it, okay? You unfortunately said your TikTok. I will be taking legal action against you, buddy.
Then we have TSM Myth, who had his Fortnite account breached, forcing him out of the game.
What? Did anybody just get kicked out of the game?
No.
What the fuck? Are you guys in game still?
I'm
Yes.
not.
Yep. Yeah, I sniped him.
The specific game? The snipe game? That's fun. I'm banned. Megalon?
What happened to you? Did you just get killed by the server?
Yeah, they just kicked me out. Now I'm trying to log back in, but the login button doesn't work.
Oh.
Party
Like, is it
functionality
similar to
limited.
yes?
I actually think I'm getting hacked right now. I deadass think my account just got hacked. What do you mean I successfully changed my password, homie? How the fuck?
Did you really get hacked?
Yeah.
Then it's Speed again, who got his PC hacked again, and this time they were gonna leak his information.
Everyone starts at the same time, dummy.
Oh my god.
Who just said that? What the fuck?
Claudia
Darren Watkins.
Vargas donated $1
Who is that?
Darren Watkins.
Who is that? Who is that? Bro, get on my computer, dog. Get the fuck out my computer, bro.
Say please. Say please.
Please get out my, bro. Get out my fucking computer.
Oh look, a nice specimen.
Bro, for real, real shit, bro. How you're on my computer? I think it's.
I'm about to hack you. I'm about to hack you. I'm about to hack you.
Stay on my Xbox shit, bro.
No, we not
I'm
in
on
this.
Discord. How y'all in my computer right now, dog?
Say please.
Bro, get out my computer.
Let me link your address.
Oh, we're gonna leak our address. Oh, should I leak his IP?
Stop.
Yeah, yeah, get his ID.
Hey, bro, hey, look, bro. Y'all know y'all about to go to jail, right? On like, hey, look, on some real shit. Y'all know y'all about to go to jail, right? Y'all know y'all about to go to fucking jail, bro. And y'all think I'm playing? Wait, they out of my
We got yourself.
Yup, they about to go.
No, don't call police on us. Don't call police on us. Please.
They dead as
Please don't call police. Please don't call police.
That's right. We are the best hackers alive because we're
If you
anonymous.
call the police, we will leak everything that we know about you.
Yeah.
Bro,
So,
get out of my computer! Get out!
Now we're gonna find you.
no.
Say please.
What happened, bro? What is going on? Yo, they fucked, they really fucked my computer up.
Again, Speed this time got hacked while downloading a game from the dark web, and things got worse fast.
Let's go. Let's go! No. Oh, not chill. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. Just a game. Just a game. Just a game. No, no, no. Chill, chill, chill. No! 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 The fuck is wrong with this game, man? What is going on? Hey! Hey! Why is my PC doing this? Are you serious? Please, Windows, please, everything be there, bro. Please, my Windows, bro. Please be there, bro. All my games, dog. I was using... Come on, almost there. Please, chat. Almost there. Come on. Yes! Wait, no. Wait, chat. Is this a dub or ill? See, it did. It's exactly what it did. It's exactly what it did. It's exactly what it did. Exactly.